Are you stuck with an error in Android Studio that says, "Could not run build action using Gradle distribution"? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this frustrating issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're ready to dive into your project and instead, you hit a wall with an error message. It can feel like your progress is halted, and trust me, many developers have faced this same challenge. Let's look at the specific situation. A user recently reported that while running a project in Android Studio version 2.3.2, they encountered an error stating, "Could not run build action using Gradle distribution." This error caused their project to get stuck on the app debug Android test A copy task. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So, what could be causing this error? It often stems from issues with the Gradle configuration, network problems, or even outdated versions of Android Studio or Gradle itself. Don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And stick around, I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the error regarding the Gradle distribution, the user should first check their Gradle version in the project settings. This ensures compatibility with Android Studio. Next, the user needs to update the Gradle distribution URL in the project's Gradle settings. This can help in fetching the correct version of Gradle. After updating the Gradle distribution URL, the user should sync the project with Gradle files. This step is crucial for applying the changes made. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may need to invalidate caches and restart Android Studio. This can resolve any lingering issues. Fun fact, did you know that Gradle was first released in 2007? It has come a long way since then, making builds easier and faster for developers everywhere. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the error may be caused by a slow internet connection or an interrupted synchronization process. They recommend ensuring a strong internet connection and then syncing or rebuilding your project. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check for updates and keep your Gradle files clean. This simple habit can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Gradle error and get back to coding. Remember, keeping your tools updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your Android development workflow.